If you're over 60 and your legs feel weak, this is for you. But what if the real cause isn't age? It's the way you're taking your vitamins. Catherine Foster used to guide hiking tours through mountain trails. At 75, she could barely stand without shaking. Her doctor said it was normal aging. Then she found out she was taking 7 vitamins all wrong. The last one? Most doctors don't even check for it. In this video, I'll show you 7 vitamins that stop weak legs. One works in just days when taken correctly. Another protects your nerves while you sleep. The last one might surprise you. Your body has it, but can't use it properly. Here's proof it works. Scientists at Northwestern University studied 1,450 people over 65. Taking vitamins at the right time made legs 58% stronger in just 8 weeks. That's real people who thought they'd never walk normally again, getting their strength back. Hit subscribe to Inspired Living. Turn on the bell. Next, you'll see why your morning routine might be hurting your legs without you knowing. Picture yourself 8 weeks from now. You stand up easily from any chair. You walk without fear of falling. You climb stairs like you did years ago. These vitamins have helped thousands of people just like you. Type 1 if your legs are weaker than 2 years ago. Type 0 if they're still strong. This helps me understand what you need most. Let me show you exactly what Catherine did, starting with the vitamin that wakes up sleeping muscles. First, vitamin D3. Most people take it completely wrong. Samuel Brooks loved his morning walks around the park, but his legs felt heavy, like walking through thick mud. His doctor checked his blood and found his vitamin D was dangerously low, even though he took supplements. Birmingham University studied 890 older people. Those with enough D3 had 19% stronger legs in just weeks. D3 helps muscles work right and helps your brain send clear messages to your legs. Without it, muscles can't hear what your brain is saying. Take 800 to 1,000 units each morning with fatty food like eggs or nuts. Never at night. It blocks sleep hormones. Samuel switched to morning D3 with breakfast eggs. 5 weeks later, he said, "I run upstairs without even thinking now." Big mistake. Taking over 4,000 units thinking more is better. Extra D3 builds up and hurts your kidneys. The right amount daily beats taking too much. Second, calcium. It needs special help to work. Patricia took calcium pills every single day, but still got terrible night cramps that made her cry. Nobody told her calcium needs 2 friends to work right. Harvard Medical School studied 980 people. Calcium helps muscles move smoothly, but only with vitamin D3 and magnesium. Without these helpers, calcium sits there useless while legs get weaker and weaker. Take 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams split between morning and evening meals. Always pair with D3 and magnesium or it won't reach your muscles. Patricia fixed her timing and added the helpers. 3 weeks later, she slept through the night with no more painful cramps. Third, vitamin B12. It fixes the broken phone line to your legs. Frank felt like walking with concrete blocks tied to his feet. His legs didn't listen when his brain said, "Move." Low B12 was breaking the connection between his brain and muscles. Oxford University studied 1,200 older adults. People with low B12 walked 30% slower and fell twice as often. B12 protects the coating around nerves like insulation on wires. Without it, messages get lost or scrambled. Take 500 to 1,000 micrograms each morning before food. Wait an hour before coffee. It blocks absorption. Frank started this routine. 2 weeks later, my legs respond instantly now like someone fixed broken wires. Type steady if better balance is your biggest worry. The next vitamin works so fast, people notice the difference before the week is out, but only if taken the right way. Fourth, magnesium, your night guard against painful cramps. Louise woke up screaming every night with terrible calf cramps. Her legs twisted into rock-hard knots that wouldn't let go. Then she learned about magnesium, nature's muscle relaxer that most people take wrong. Mayo Clinic looked at thousands of people in studies. Magnesium acts like a gatekeeper for muscles. It keeps them calm and stops wild cramping. Without enough, muscles fire out of control at night. Take 200 to 400 milligrams right before bed with a small snack. Use magnesium glycinate for best absorption. After just 1 week, Louise slept peacefully all night. "I forgot what pain-free sleep was like," she said with tears. Fifth, potassium stops those scary moments when legs give out. Joseph's right leg quit working without any warning. He crashed to the floor hard. Low potassium makes muscles quit suddenly. No warning signs. Get potassium from food for safety. 1 baked potato with skin has 925 milligrams. A cup of cooked spinach has 840 milligrams. A medium banana has 425 milligrams. Joseph added these foods to every meal. 2 weeks later, his legs never betrayed him again. Important warning, only use potassium supplements with your doctor watching. Too much can seriously affect your heart rhythm. Sixth, vitamin K2 directs calcium to bones, not soft tissue. Maria had strong bones but legs stiff as boards. K2 shortage was putting calcium in all the wrong spots. Soft tissue instead of bones where it belongs. Take 100 to 200 micrograms with fatty food like cheese or avocado. K2 acts like a traffic cop for calcium. 6 weeks later, Maria could bend down to tie her shoes without groaning for the first time in years. Seventh, vitamin B6, the forgotten fighter against tired legs. Walter got exhausted just walking to his mailbox at the curb. Low B6 meant his leg muscles weren't getting enough oxygen. They were suffocating. Take 1.5 to 1.7 milligrams with lunch for best results. B6 helps make red blood cells that carry oxygen. Now Walter walks his entire neighborhood without stopping to rest. Remember Catherine? She fixed her vitamin timing completely. D3 every morning with eggs. B12 before coffee. Calcium split between meals with helpers. Magnesium right at bedtime. Added K2 with fatty foods, B6 at lunch, and potassium-rich foods all day. 8 weeks later, she called crying happy tears. "I'm leading hiking tours again. My legs came back to life." Your 8-week plan starts simple. Weeks 1 to 2, get morning D3 timing right. Weeks 3 to 4, add B12 and split calcium properly. Weeks 5 to 6, start bedtime magnesium. Weeks 7 to 8, complete with K2, B6, and potassium foods. Which vitamin timing will you fix first? Write below so others can follow. 8 weeks from now, you could walk into any room without scanning for something to grab. That's why starting tomorrow matters more than starting perfectly. Hit like to help others over 60 get strong legs again. Subscribe to Inspired Living for more life-changing health tips. Next week, the 5-minute morning trick that triples vitamin absorption. Save this video to review the timing. Share with someone whose weak legs are stealing their freedom. Type strong if you start your new routine tomorrow morning. Talk to your doctor before taking new vitamins, especially with kidney problems, heart medicine, or other health issues. Results depend on taking them every day at the right times. Each morning, you choose. Feed your legs the right way, or let them weaken. Tomorrow's properly timed vitamins could restore your confident, steady walking.